So your vehicle status is on hold because of a supplement. What does that mean? Well, what it means is that we have found some additional items, whether it's damage or additional parts or labor, that we need in order to repair your vehicle properly. Now, whenever we find these additional items, which is referred to as a supplement, we have to notify the insurance company to get approval. While we're waiting for that approval, the vehicle status is on hold. So, Danny, what are some things that we might have a supplement for?
So again, talking about labor, maybe we did need to repair a component on the vehicle. Maybe there's some sub-letter calibration that we have to do to your vehicle. So again, we have to submit that to your insurance company and get the approval, as well as get your approval for those additional costs. It's not uncommon to see a couple of supplements on a repair plan, or your insurance company may have left an operation off that repair plan, so that way you can perform a repair back to original specifications. So again, really important that you work directly with your repair shop and get those approvals from the insurance company as well as from you. If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.